Guys, I want to thank Blox Racing for hooking us up with some free springs for Matthew's 95 Civic. Check these out. These are just springs, and they contacted us through email. They were asking us about Matthew's Civic, and we're like, yeah, we would love some springs. Thank you so much for Blox Racing for hooking us up with these. And yeah, we're gonna put these on Matthew's car, and we'll see if this does better performance, better looks, whatever it does. This will be the next build. What we have to do is we have to pop off the old spring off of our other coilover and put this one on and see if this one is better than the other one. But yep, thank you again, Blox Racing. If you guys want to get your own springs, go ahead and check out their website down here, or just go on their Instagram and just, just browse their section. Get you some springs.
Do you know what you're doing today?
We're fixing the car size.
What?
Dude, what's up? You've never known this, but I've always wanted to go inside your treehouse. Can we eat up there?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, let's go eat.
Yeah, we got you food too.
Oh, actually?
Yeah, we got you a spicy McChicken. Oh, you just ate?
No, I didn't eat. I just...
Alright.
I got some milkshake.
Oh, shamrock? Yeah. Dude, shamrock tastes like grass.
Huh? Yeah, you good. Yeah, my dad just haven't built this part yet. But it's very stable.
Hey, last time I saw it, Maddie. Go ahead.
He just didn't do the stairs part to get up yet.
Alright guys, we're gonna eat really quick.
You got it out? Hey guys! Kanashiboyz here. Today, we're cleaning Dom's car.
Alright, what y'all just do?
Alright, so we basically just took out the ball joint off of the knuckle right there. You can see it, the new ball joint. We used the tool that Alex rented out, the ball joint press tool. It was pretty easy. We did it pretty fast in like 30 minutes. And now we're just gonna put on the lower control arm. And what else, Alex? What are those?
Lower control arm and then the coil.
Yeah, stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be running again.
Oh, that's what you guys are trying to do.
Nope.
Dang it!
Look, we got it.
What the? Oh, actually, you got it flushed. Yeah, if you look at like on the side right here, you actually kind of got it flushed.
It's just like when the impact of me hitting it.
Yeah.
Nice, like speedy run.
That's stiff, bro.
Yeah.
I got her on tight and good. She's ready to go. We could probably test drive it today.
Yeah, we can. Just no headlights though. Well, my headlights are in, but I don't have the bracket.
Oh,
But we could.
Oh, that's better. Fine tuning it.
Oh, right here.
Oh, yep. You brought out the line right here.
Mm-hmm.
All the way in.
Yeah, that's good.
Look at this.
Oh, the battery's unplugged.
Right there. Yep, 3 different options. Oh. Alex, look at me. Like, just like thumbnail.
What?
Just thumbnail.
Thumbnail?
Yeah. Okay.
Look at this part right here.
Oh, shoot. Oh. What are you doing?
cleaning the upper carriage.
What are we doing?
We're just cleaning Dom's car, you know, doing a little detail to it.
Oh wait, that's there.
Everything's OES.
Yep.
All right, guys. Found the issue. We've been working on this for about 2-3 hours, wondering why the knuckle wasn't fitting. And I realized the old one could fit in the axle pretty well, but the new one that Alex bought couldn't fit, and we were wondering why. And we compared them, and we finally noticed we got the wrong side. So this is the one that broke off of Alex. This is the driver's side. And look, it looks the same. Nope. The brake caliper is different on this side. This is for the, what's it called? Passenger side. So Alex bought the wrong one.
I was scammed on eBay. It said driver's side.
Well, it's alright. Yeah, that's it, guys. We found our issue. We have how many days left, Titus?
9 days.
9 days to get this done and running. And we're about to do it.
For the cruise.
Yeah, for the cruise.
The
yeah,
big
let's
cruise.
Alright, so I'm working on the Avalon. All this looks right? Then you take a look up here. This is completely broken. And then look what I found. Where'd it go? Oh, shit broke. How'd it break? That's crazy. Yeah, this is broken. That's probably what's been clunking. So it shouldn't be a hard fix. Luckily, it's just that. Be something easy.
I know it's when it first died, I took it out, so I probably just didn't plug it back in right.
I googled, and I saw that the plugs were in backwards, and timing was off by a little bit. But this plug and this plug was backwards, and timing was off. Wayne had a bunch of vacuum leaks and vacuum leaks, you know.
Now, Wayne is about to suck Brandon's dick.
We spent like, was it an hour here? 2?
Hour 30.
Hour 30. Me and Wayne at the junkyard, trying to fix this Avalon. Got to take this off. We're just gonna shoot it out.
Yep, we should have done it. So easy.
So easy. First 2 bolts out. I think I feel it. Is it going in more? Oh yeah, 200. Too easy. Uh-oh. Did I bring the broken one? You don't need no hands. Your hands. Intake looks clean, bro. You need a new intake for the car? Yep, just break it off. Alright, he got the part. That's all we needed. Yep. Alright, we're back at the house. We're gonna throw it on real quick, and then hopefully it should be good. Look at Wayne's goats. He's mean mugging me, bro. Look at his chickens. Alright, we got the wheel back on. Take that out, get the new one on. Good to go.